I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by verifying prerequisites. Make sure both machines are on a private network and the same subnet so discovery works. Once done, enable file and printer sharing in settings and turn on required SMB components via turn Windows features on or off. Use SMB 2/3 unless you need legacy SMB 1. Sign in as an administrator or have admin credentials ready, and temporarily disable any third-party firewall so initial connection tests aren't blocked. Next, you'll configure the shared resource itself. Right-click the folder, open Properties, go to Sharing, and use Advanced Sharing to publish the share name. Click Permissions to set exact access levels. Then switch to Security to match NTFS rights with share permissions so access is predictable. Once set, map the share as a network drive or access it with / hostname / sharename. If prompted, supply domain or local credentials. This ensures both network and file system permissions align. To finish, verify network discovery and function discovery services are running and set to automatic so devices appear reliably. Use ipconfig and ping to confirm connectivity, then run PowerShell getSMB session and getSMB share to inspect active connections and share status. Restart the workstation and server services if something looks stale. If issues persist, enable SMB logging, re-enable the firewall, and add explicit rules for file and printer sharing. This isolates blocking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.